Hello to everyone, I'm Irfan and welcome to this new session. In this part, we want to simulate a pipe and mixing three different fluid with different temperature with together inside the solidworks. So we start here and there is a first pipe, second, and the third one. This is the main pipe and there is a flow inside this pipe which the velocity is equal to 2 meter per second and the diameter of this pipe is equal to 20 centimeter and for the first pipe we have got the and also the temperature here is equal to 20 Celsius. And also for the first pipe here, the diameter is equal to 5 centimeter and the velocity of the fluid is equal to 1.5 meter per second and also the temperature is equal to 90 centigrade and also for the second pipe D is equal to 7 centimeter. Velocity is equal to 1 to meter per second and also the temperature is equal to 85 and the last one is the D is equal to 6 centimeter. Velocity is equal to 2 meter per second. The temperature is equal to 95 Celsius. So we want to simulate this system inside this SolidWorks with fluid simulation and see what happened to this fluid inside the main pipe, how they gonna to mix it together. So for simulating the fluid simulation inside the SolidWorks, at first we need to simulate and to create our geometry. So I wanted to do it inside the part section inside the SolidWorks, and so I sketch the front plane and draw a circle right here. This is for the main pipe, so I set the value for the diameter 20 centimeter and also for feature extrude I set 70 centimeter for the length of the pipe and the thin of the pipe is equal to 0.2 centimeter. So this is our main pipe right here. We can see this. Okay, as we show it, there is a three pipes connected to this main pipe and the first pipe, the diameter of the first pipe is equal to 5 centimeter. So I should connect the pipe to the top of this main pipe. So okay, so I sketch this plane and then it's equal to 50 centimeter and the diameter of the pipe is 5. For the second pipe This is the third one. Okay. The second is 7, third is 6, 7, 6. Okay, and is equal to 15. This one also is equal to 15 centimeters, so that's perfect. So at first, I have to put cuts inside the pipe. Okay. So now I need to create my pipes. So I draw another pipe, another circles, and use this command to create my pipes. So okay, I hide it. So now we can see our geometry of this simulation. This is the first one, second, and the third one. And this is the main pipe. Okay, we want to, at the next step, we want to do the simulation of the fluid inside this geometry. For this part, we open the flow simulation, and at first we should save this part, and then click on the wizard and project name sync. Go to next. Okay, so for the gravity, z is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 9.81, and the liquids is water. We add this and the for next. Then we have got an error. Okay, what's the error? Because the some section of these pipes are open. It says okay, so please close them. Okay. Yes. Yes. Okay. Now there is no more error, so I hide this part, and for set the value of the temperature and the mass flow rate or the velocity of the fluid inside each one of these pipe, we should using boundary parts. Okay, for this reason I cut my geometry to this, and also in the boundary condition I insert the boundary, and I choose the inlet velocity for the main pipe is equal to 2 meter per second. Okay, and the temperature is equal to 20 Celsius is equal to 293.2 Kelvin. That's correct. Okay, click here for the next pipe. The velocity is equal to 1.5 meter per second. This one, and the temperature is equal to 363.50. Okay. Next pipe. Velocity is equal to this and the temperature. Okay. And the third one, velocity is equal to 2 and the temperature is 95. And also this section is the outlet of the all of these fluids, so I should set another boundary and said okay, this is the outlet, or I click, and for our goals, okay, I want to know what kind of or maybe the pressure of the fluid or the velocity or the temperature. In this study, I want to simulate only the temperature of the mixing these fluids together inside this pipe. So I insert the global, and only I want to know the average temperature and maybe also the velocity of the fluid, because now I see they have got the different velocity and that inside each one of these pipes. So it can be a good idea to see what happened to the velocity of the fluid. So I click here and then I click run and run the simulation. Now it's calculating. So okay, it's finished. Here I want to see the results, so I open the cut plots, right? See the temperature. Okay, I think that uh, okay. Actually, I made a mistake right here. The velocity was equal to 1.5, and the temperature is correct. Okay, so again, I run the simulation. Okay, it's finished. Perfect. So I insert another cut plots, right section, and temperature here. Okay, that's perfect. So now we can see there's a first fluid, second fluid, and the third fluid, and this is the main fluid are is coming from here, and they are mixing it together. I can hide this and use this part to see more better the simulation. Okay, okay. And the temperature, okay, that's perfect. I'm going to play this. Very beautiful. We can see how they are mixing it together, this different fluid with different velocity and different temperature. And this is the graph for different temperature for example, this color show the different temperature inside the distillation. Okay, and this is the temperature. I stop this and hide it, and for the velocity, I create another cut plot, right? Section and the velocity. Okay, okay. This is the velocity inside the pipe. For example, the velocity in this section is kind of higher than this part. These different fluid with different velocity are kind of mixing it together. We can see the behavior of the fluid inside this geometry. That's really beautiful. Okay, so and also we can show this velocity behavior inside this geometry with this section and create another result for this part. So you can do it by yourself and see the results in your system. So that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in next session. Have fun.